A huge game today. Both teams have selected strong squads, which they'll announce shortly. Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises. And the home team have been announced. And the away team have gone with this formation. So we're off. Which way will this game go? That's well off target. That's good link-up play. It's with the defender now. Great chance here. Incredible goal. And it's a fantastic finish off the woodwork there. Giving the goalkeeper no chance whatsoever. Lovely pass. Good ball. Confident pass. Firmino shoots. He got a good hand behind that. A player of his talent really should have won the ball. Ball's across the line, it's out of play. Played in field. Font. They have the ball again. Gomez. The referee has to do something about it. That was a dreadful challenge. The refs sent him off. It's a red card. Free kick now. How will they react to going a man down? Here's the shot. Oh, the keeper's blocked that one. That's well out by the defence. Passed inside. Into stoppage time now. One team's game plan has gone out of the window after that sending off. So this league match continues. That's a bit cynical really. It's going to be a free kick. And he plays the ball back. And out for the throw-in. That's a terrible tackle. He's received a booking and he can't have any complaints about that. Nice play. throw. Passed well. He's cut it back inside. The keeper collects that one. Rolled out by the goalkeeper. Good distribution. Finds his teammate. Won the ball. That's good link-up play. Really well played. Gomez.
Roll over screens, there's a glass half empty in a house with a mirror in it. Tell me what you see, or tell me what you want to. I can fix it with a filter feeling. We're not really free, there's so much pressure weighing heavily, I'm barely breathing. Maybe I should leave, try and find a crown in my own damn kingdom.
Oh, shocking challenge. The ref has shown him a yellow card. He'll have to... Easy for the goalkeeper there. They're appealing, but he's onside. Oh, well intercepted. The ball has gone up, and we're going to have 3 minutes of stoppage time. Played short by the keeper. They've won it back. Oh, awful challenge. The ref sent him off, red card. Confident goalkeeping there. Comfortable 2-0 victory here. The manager will be pleased with results like this.